All right, it's Dr. Bello here with Upper Cervical Healthcare Los Angeles, our Wilshire office. And here today I have Tomas. Tomas is going to tell us a little bit about how he found us, what he experienced before upper cervical care, and how it's made a difference in his life ever since. So tell us a little bit about how you found us.
So I found you guys, I was on the internet randomly searching for how I can cure my neck pain because I've had it for 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah, and it was horrible, like burning neck pain, my whole head.
For 10 years. How old are you?
I'm 21.
So since you were 11 years old?
Yeah, in 5th grade, around 5th grade.
5th grade,
Yeah.
wow. Okay. And what else did you have going on? Any other symptoms?
My tongue would become numb, and that would scare me because that was like a weird feeling, like what's happening?
That's not normal, right?
Yeah, that's not normal at all. And I went to my doctor, but they didn't really care. They said I was okay.
Everyone said you were fine.
They said I was fine.
All tests negative.
Just brush it off.
Yeah, that's pretty common these days,
Yeah.
unfortunately. Tell us a little about, so you've been a patient since February 21st, so that's about 5-6 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And how have you been impacted by the upper cervical adjustment, and how do you feel now?
I feel way better. I wake up every morning with no neck pain at all. I used to feel it every morning.
Nice.
It would burn a bit, like a couple minutes. I would have to go to work, like feeling down, depressed. Yeah, until I came here after my first adjustment.
One adjustment,
Just
that's right.
one.
He's only needed one so far after
It was
6 weeks ago.
I thought like what the heck?
I remember you came and you kept saying how angry you were about the fact that you didn't have any clue as to what we did for 10 years.
Yeah, I've been looking for a cure for 10 years.
Had you known 10 years ago, it would have been...
Yeah, I would have came here right away.
Yeah.
I wish I had known, but I didn't.
Well, you're here now, that's all that matters.
Yeah.
And there's tons of people out there like you who need help but have no clue we even exist. So we're here for you. Now, if we can get the coronavirus thing to go away, we'll be all right.
Yeah.
Thanks for sharing your story. And if you have any questions, you can go to our website. My website's dralexbello.com. And thanks again, Tomas, for your time.
Thank you.